come. Let's do some rhyming words today, okay? These are words which will have the same ending but a different letter at the beginning. Look. What is this? Sun. A sun. Very good. Do you want to draw sun? Look, here it is. Look, it's Mr. Sun. Sing the Mr. Sun song.
Mr. Sun, go.
No, properly. Mr. Sun, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Say.
We sang Danny.
Okay, erase it. It's the sun. Wow, it's so bright. Okay, so erase it. Sun, sun. S makes the sound sir. Letter U can make two sounds. U and Here it makes the sound and n. Sir, n. Sun, sun. Very good. No, wait, don't erase the whole thing. Okay, sun, sun. Now, read this word. Look. Look, it's a rhyming word. Because it has the same two letters in it.
No, fun.
Fun. Look, Bemu is having fun by doing what? By riding his scooter. Look, Bemu is riding his scooter. Here's the scooter and here's Bemu. Here is Bemu riding his scooter. Look, he has a nice hat. Look. Wow. Fun. What fun it is. Look, wait. Letter U, look at this. Letter U can make two sounds, okay? U and Here it makes the sound okay? So fun. Fun. It's fun. Fun is something which is enjoyable, which you have an instinct of wanting to do more and more, okay?
Yep. Yo.
Hear this word.
Go.
And a gun, look, here it is. Let's draw a new type of gun today, okay? Let me see, can I draw it properly? Let's see. Wow.
Draw what?
It's a automatic rifle, assault rifle. This is how it is. No, wait.
Okay. Wow.
I'm not sure how to draw it. I'm just trying to rely on memory. And then here's the magazine in which the bullets are kept. Wow. Okay.
Draw the gun.
Here's the handle. And then here's the stock.
Draw this.
Stock. Here's the trigger. Okay. The stock is a some object which you place against your body to stabilize the gun. Look, here's the gun. Look, here it is.
What about that little?
Here's the trigger guard. Okay, what is it? Okay, come. We cannot spend too long on this. Gun.
This thing that you do is when your eye is in the exact center.
Yes.
Does it?
Okay, come. Anyway, come. We can. This is not the point of our video. Okay. Gun. You can make two sounds. Remember that. Okay. You can make the sound oo and you can make the sound In this word, it makes the sound So gun. Okay, come. Can you think of any other words which rhyme with gun, Dut? Or an?
Bun.
Yes, that's okay, one. But don't say it loud, otherwise he will know and he won't be reading it. He will just be repeating what you said.
Okay.
Just mouth it to me, okay? Silently next time. Now we got it. Okay, come. What is this? Read this word. Read it properly. Okay, come. Here it come. Bun, yummy bun. Look, here's a bun. It's a cream-filled bun. Look, how does it look like? It's a nice bun with lots of chocolate seeds on it. Chocolate chips on it. Yes. Wow, chocolate chip bun. Okay, here comes Bemu. Look, Bemu ate up one piece. Here comes Bemu. Wow. It's half gone. Here comes Bemu. And the bit is left. Here comes Dututai. Dututai finished it. Very good. You must share. Okay. Banana bun. Okay, it is. Look.
Sorry.
Very good. Look, here's a cat. Let's see. Bema. Be cooperative. Look, it's a pretty nice cat. Look. Here's the nose. And look, it's opening its mouth very wide. Wow. Sharp
Baba, your
teeth.
hand is blocking it. Oh my gosh.
At a cat. Okay, erase it.
Don't erase it yet. I want to zoom in on it.
Okay, next.
Baba, how can you manage to draw something so utterly there? Ugh.
What? Okay, look at the next one. At a cat. Now here's another one.
Why did you even draw that?
What? Why not? It's just practice for the.
That was not a cat.
Whatever it is. Mat. Look, here's Bemu's mat. Here's the mat on which Bemu likes to play. Wow, here's a mat. And look, on the mat there are many toys. Bemu, clean up your toys. Look, here's Bemu's toy, double-decker bus. Here's a double-decker bus, 302. What other toys does Bemu play with? Here's Bemu's dinosaur. Here's dinosaur toy. Okay, here's Bemu's another double-decker bus.
What about his dump truck and his garbage truck?
It's too much. Look, here's Bemu's mat. At a mat. Okay, let's do some other at words. Look, at a mat, at a cat. Look, here's another one.
No,
Look,
actor.
don't say it loud. Otherwise, how do we know that he just repeats you rather than reading the word? Maybe look at this word. Look at this word. Look on. At a bat.
I want to listen to it.
Come, finish properly. Sit. The you can sit later. We've seen many of them. Okay, Bemo, look, you're missing out. At a bat. Look, I'm drawing a bat. Look, here's the bat. The body. And here are the wings.
Baba, can you see? I am seeing the zit everywhere.
Very good. Look, here's a bat. And see, bats have very thin, narrow feet. Any flying animal cannot have thick, muscular feet because otherwise, what happened? Did you pause the video or something? Huh? Hello, beta. Is it working? At the bat. Bemo, look, you're missing out. Show what Bemo is doing. Bemo, come and read this. At a bat. So look back here. At a bat. Look, here's a bat. Bats are the only mammals which can fly. Wow. What a unique creature. See, no other mammal can fly except for bats. Allah. Okay, read these words. Come.
Baba,
Read this word.
Baba.
Okay, Bemo, I'm reading it.
Can
Try
you
show the
write
word.
Lizard and then blizzard.
Yes. Okay. At a fat.
Oof.
Look, here's a fat kaka. Look, if you're too fat, then your health will suffer. Okay? Don't shake the.
He's gonna touch my tablet.
Okay, come. Just show this word, then we'll stop. Okay? Come. At a fat.
Oh no, he's not. He's just looking
Okay,
at the
okay.
apple course.
Okay, let's do a couple more. Let's do 4-letter words now. Lizard is too long. It's 6 letters. It's a bit complicated for me. Let's do some 4-letter words. Maybe you can suggest a 4-letter word which is simple to pronounce. Can you think of something?
No.
4-letter word. Okay, look. You watch this word. Look, actually there's another one. Okay, let's do this one, then we'll do another one. Ba-a-ra-ka. What is it? Ba-a-ra-ka, bark. Here letter A makes sound A, okay? Sometimes it makes A and sometimes it makes A. Here it makes sound A.
Oh, I got
Ba-a-ra-ka,
one.
bark.
I got one.
What is it?
Gate.
Okay. No, gate is a complicated spelling because it has this vowel, non-vowel and E type of combination.
Well, don't blame me because I'm not in kindergarten anymore
Okay,
and I
I'm not
can't
blaming
find an easy word.
Okay, Bemo, look, the dog is barking. Bark, bark. Okay. Now look, what if happens if we just change one letter? Ba-a-ra-ka, bark. Now change it to a P. Pa-a-ra-ka, park. A park is a place which has lots of greenery, green grass and lots of trees. Okay, and maybe some paths for you to walk on. Maybe some water features like a lake. Wow, so nice! What a nice park. Pa-a-ra-ka, park. See, we have many times been to Limbang Park or Chochukam Park where we can take a nice walk. And there are some exercise areas or swings. Look, here's a swing. Here's a nice swing. See? So, Pa-a-ra-ka, park. There's a lizard. Okay, let me finish this. Look. Da, a, ma, pa. Read the word first. Da, a, ma, pa. Dump. Dump truck. See, letter U can make two sounds. U or a. Here it makes sound a, okay? In some cases it makes sound u. So you have to know that. So, here it makes sound a. Da, a, ma, pa. Dump. Dump truck. Look, I'm drawing a dump truck.
Baba, truck.
Here's the dump truck. Look, here's the cabin. Here's the steering wheel.
Why isn't a dump truck?
Okay. Why didn't you read the word properly then? Look, there are some wheels.
Baba?
Here is Bemo. Look, Bemo is riding the dump truck. Bemo, don't bend the board. Wow. Up a dump. Okay, here's the truck going to the dump to dump all the soil. Now let's change one letter and see what happens. Look, Bemo, look.
Baba.
Look. Sai, Dutu, is the video coming out properly? Don't shake it. And
Baba, what about
listen.
book
Yes, okay.
and go?
Yes. Ja-a-ma-pa. Ja-a-ma-pa, jump. Jump means when you push against the earth or some other object so that it pushes you back, and because that other object is very heavy, it doesn't move much. But you, because of the reaction force of the earth pushing you up in the opposite direction, you rise up, okay? So, look, here's a grasshopper. Okay, here's a grasshopper. And grasshoppers have very powerful legs. This is how it is now.
Can you just draw?
The grasshoppers have very powerful legs. Yes. You drew it last time, that's why. I want to do new things so that it doesn't feel boring. Here's a grasshopper.
Oh
Look.
boy!
Look, the grasshopper is jumping and flying high up into the sky. Look, some grasshoppers also have wings.
Baba, I'm going to zoom in to just clarify the creepiness effect.
Ja-a-ma-pa, jump. Look, the grasshopper is jumping up.
How you
Grasshoppers can
managed
actually
to do something so creepy?
something creepy, smiling. Look.
Ew.
Ja-a-ma-pa, jump. Okay.
I can make it even more creepy.
Okay, look, there's another one. Look. Ba-a-ma-pa. Ba-a-ma-pa, bump. A bump is something which stands out in an otherwise flat area. Okay. So
Baba, it's
what
already
happened?
15 minutes.
Okay, this is the last one. What happened when Bemu bumped his head? Look, here is Bemu. Okay. And what happened when Bemu was running too fast and hit his head? Bemu got a bump on his head. Look,
Ugh.
a bump. Look, a bump is a protruding area in an otherwise flat location. Okay, in an otherwise flat surface. So, for example, when you hit your head, a bump can develop because blood will flow into that impacted area to deal with any kind of because local blood vessels might be punctured, might be ruptured by the impact, so they'll swell up. Look, there's another kind of bump. Look, here's a road, and here's a speed bump. So it's also a bump. It's raised up in an otherwise flat surface like a road. So it's a bump.
Now it's
A bump.
16 minutes.
Very good. Come. You want to do a couple more?
No.
Okay, then stop.